Do you know that almost 70% of what you do every day is automatic? You wake up, check your phone, drink coffee, start work. It feels like you're making choices, but your brain is actually running scripts. These scripts are called habits. But here's the interesting question. Why are some habits easy, while others feel impossible? Today, we'll break down the science of making and breaking habits. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how to reprogram your brain. Every habit starts with something called a cue. A cue is simply a trigger. Your brain immediately looks for a familiar behavior. Cue leads to action. Then comes the reward. This creates a loop inside your brain. This is called the habit loop. The more this loop repeats, the stronger the neural pathway becomes. Eventually, the brain automates the behavior. But there's a hidden force that controls whether habits start. Scientists call it limbic friction. It's the mental resistance you feel before starting something. The higher the friction, the harder it is to begin. Successful people don't rely on motivation. They reduce friction instead. One powerful trick is mental rehearsal. Imagine the exact steps before doing the habit. This activates the same neural circuits, making the real action easier to start. Your brain also runs on a daily biological timeline. The first 8 hours after waking are your focus window. During this time, your brain releases dopamine and norepinephrine. These chemicals increase focus and motivation. This is the best time to start high-effort habits, like deep work, learning, or intense exercise. Trying to do these at night often fails, not because you're lazy, but because you're fighting your biology. Another brain trick is called task bracketing. Your brain marks the beginning of a routine and the end of a routine. Over time, the entire behavior becomes one neural pattern. This is why morning routines work so well. The routine signals the brain, work session has started, work session has ended. Eventually, your brain starts the behavior automatically. Breaking habits works differently. Most people try to use punishment, but punishment rarely rewires the brain. Instead, scientists suggest replacement behavior. The moment you catch the bad habit, immediately switch to a positive action. This interrupts the habit loop. Your brain becomes aware of the pattern, and awareness weakens the old pathway. But the deepest change happens here. Every repeated habit creates identity. So the real goal isn't just habits. It's becoming the person your habits create.